So this is our next question. Here what we have to do, we have to find all the occurrence of this element inside this array in the array form. Okay, let's, like we can see 3 here is repeated twice inside this array at position number 2, at position number 10. Okay, so here we got our answer 2 comma 10. Okay, so before implementing the solution we should know, like here we are returning the answer array. Okay, before implementing the solution we should discuss the approach. Okay, like we know we have to return the answer array, like from this method. Okay, so one of our approach, one of our approach would be, like we can think, we can define our answer array as an instance variable like this. Okay, this is our first approach. Okay, now the second approach will be, we can put the answer array in the method parameter, like this. But this won't work fine because we don't know what is the size of the array. Okay, and the instance variable also, this will also not work because we don't know, like before iterating the array we don't know what is the size of the array. So we will try with another solution. What we can do, like we know first, so our first problem is we have to find the size of the answer array. In order to find the size of the array we have to iterate the array. Okay, so like after finding the, like one question you may have in your mind, that can we use the array list, but there is a restriction. Yeah, let me mention this. We cannot use array list. Okay, like if we can use array list, so that is very simple then, but there is a restriction, we cannot use the array list. First we have to find out the count, and then return our array. Okay, sorry, and then assign index in answer array, and then return this answer array. Okay, in each recursive call. Okay, so that is our approach. Okay, so how can we implement it? Yeah, this is our base condition. We will complete this later. Okay, let's define our main work. What is our main work? Our main work is if ARR current is equal to what? Search. Let's suppose we found the index. So we know we cannot, like we don't know where to put the index. We got our index, this is our index. Okay, but we don't know where to put it. We have to put it inside the answer array. Okay, and we can get the answer array only after calling this method recursively, like this: ARR current, okay, and search, and then count. Like we will do some modifications in this line. The thing is, we already found the current index. Okay, so obviously in the next recursive call we have to find it in the next index. Okay, so here we will increase the current variable by 1, and also one thing, we have already found the index, so our count will be increased by 1. This will return the integer array. Okay, and since we got our integer array, we will assign the current index value in the answer array, like this: count index of answer array equal to current. Okay, and here we will return our answer array. If let's say this condition is not met, in that case what we have to do, we have to again recursively call this function. Okay, like this, call this function current plus 1, because we have already searched at this index. Okay, now our count will remain same. Okay, and here what we have to do, we just have to put it like this: return. Okay, now try to execute it. working while current equals to +1. Wait, let me this. There's also solution. Okay, yeah. Okay, we have not put this base condition. Okay. So yeah, we know we have reached to the we have already executed the last index of the integer array. Here we have to initialize. Yeah, look, this is the main part. Okay, here we have to initialize our array. Okay, new int with count. Okay, and now we have to return it. Let's check. So yeah, for like if our searching element is 3, we are getting the correct output. If it is 2, yeah, 0 1, okay, 2 3 4 5, yeah, 5. Okay, that means this approach is working perfectly fine.